follows a general rule of thumb whereby I like the business revenue to grow at double the rate of the GDP of the country. So if Hong Kong is growing at 6.5%, I like our business in Hong Kong to grow by at least double that rate of 13%. Hong Kong is actually at a very interesting time right now. Everything is going very well. There's a lot of growth on the corporate and investment banking side. There's a lot of companies that are being listed today. So in that respect, there's a lot of business opportunities. Branch is one touch point with the customer. Citi being sort of where we are, we don't believe that we can reach our customers through branches alone. We have telephone banking, we have internet banking, so we can compete with other banks which has small branches, using different form of methodology to interact with the customers. In fact, I would not be surprised if many customers or many of our customers rather deal with us through the internet, rather than coming in physically into the branch. So I think we are not worried about the number of locations we have versus number of locations other banks have. First, the impact to Hong Kong and Taiwan is minimal, and the impact to Asia is very small. And the reason is that Asia is in the growth mode, so we are doing very well in Asia, and we need to hire more people. All I can say is that by the end of this year, we will have more people working for us in Hong Kong than we had when we started the year in January. So I'm very optimistic that we will continue to hire, we will continue to expand our business. Now, putting things into perspective, Citibank or Citigroup does make close to $100 billion of revenue a year. Our return on capital is about 20%, and our net income will be about $22 billion thereabout. So we are doing this not because we need to, we are doing this because it's good discipline for us to always look at our expense base to see how we can reinvent ourselves and how we can do things better. The economy is doing very well. That I think is the main reason. At the same time, the equity business is doing very well. There's a lot of underwriting, there's a lot of new issuance, there's a lot of IPOs. So that part has deserved special mention because it has really done much better than the rest. But at the same time too, other parts of the bank continue to be very strong, because the country is doing well, the economy is actually humming along.